Goa police on Friday informed that they have arrested an accused from West Bengal after he broke into a house in Dona Paula and committed a theft of around 50 lakh rupees. The accused was trapped by Goa police by luring him through a fake Instagram ID. North Goa SP Nidin Walson on Friday informed that Goa police arrested an accused named Suredar Chetri from West Bengal. The accused had broken into a house at Dona Paula on July 30th. He further informed that it was a blind case and that the police had nothing but CCTV footage showing a masked person on a bicycle.
1 जुलाई को डोना पोलो में एक डॉक्टर के घर पे बर्गलरी हुआ था, जिसमें ज्वेलरी और कैश मिला के क्लोज टू ½ crore वर्थ आइटम्स वेर स्टोलन, and in which we had registered an FIR on 31st. Udesh, we have arrested the accused from West Bengal and he has been produced before the court and now is in police custody. And during his police custody we have recovered jewellery which was part of the stolen items from Mumbai. इस केस में मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं कि दिस वॉज ए कंप्लीटली ब्लाइंड केस. इनिशियल एक हफ्ते में वी वेर नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लू अदर देन ए CCTV रिकॉर्डिंग्स इन विच ए पर्सन वॉज कमिंग इन ए साइकिल. एक साइकिल में आ रहा था और उसमें भी ही वॉज कंप्लीटली कवर्ड हिज फेस भी कवर किया था और ये साइकिल में आ रहा था और साइकिल से जा रहा था. और उस घर पे भी when he broke into, his face was covered.
The police then tracked the person in a casino where he had given fake numbers, one of which had been linked to an Instagram account. They then used a fake Instagram ID of a girl to lure him into giving his location. SP Walson further informed that the stolen items were mostly jewellery, parts of which were recovered from Mumbai. Further investigation is underway.
But we continued our efforts. In fact, Nikhil and his team, PSI Sanket as well as the other team continued the efforts. पूरा CCTV ट्रैक किया तो we found one suspicious person who was actually following the same track in which we found out the cycle man was tracking. फिर हमने ट्रैक किया तो we saw this person was going towards casino as well. कैसिनो में जा रहा था, वहाँ पे उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. फिर उसके बाद पोंडा में जा रहा था, वहाँ से भी उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. बट दिस पर्सन had given fake phone numbers at different locations. उसका नंबर्स भी फेक था. फिर उस CCTV को और उसको पूरा ट्रैक करने के बाद we were finally able to track the person's ID card. But ID card में भी it was only his name and his address, but his whereabouts were unknown. फिर 1 week of intense technical surveillance we understood that this person is based in West Bengal, but where this person is we were unaware. Now the police came up with a very intelligent plan in which we have found out the identity of this person is Nepali and he is of the age 31 years. फिर हमने देखा कि इसका जो नंबर्स जो ट्रैक यूज किया है, दिस नंबर्स इज लिंक्ड टू वन इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट एंड फेसबुक अकाउंट. Instagram or Facebook account, there is no other number by which we can trace his location, but the Instagram account was active. The police also created a fake Instagram ID of a girl. हमने एक fake ID बनाया लेडी का, in fact a girl का. We took the help of a girl also and we started talking with the person. फिर after 3-4 days of intense chatting, the person revealed his location and person revealed his phone number. Immediately a team was sent to West Bengal. West Bengal में उसको West Bengal पुलिस की हेल्प से हमने उसको apprehend किया.
Vincent Rosario, Manish Parab and Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.